Hello, I'm Dr. Gareth Moore and I'm a puzzle and brain training author. But in this video, I'm not writing puzzles, am I, Laura?
No, we're solving them!
This
Hooray!
is Laura, by the way.
Hi, guys.
And in particular these, we are going to be looking at day 17 of Santa's workshop and the case of the missing cookies.
Dun, dun, dun. Day 17 already.
Yeah, it's day
How
17.
exciting. What we're going to start with, missing cookies.
Yes.
Love this.
Right, now yesterday we found out that our chocolate from day 16, which I have not yet eaten,
there it is,
was under Olivia's
She looks
Elfie
quite
head.
serious, doesn't she? Maybe it's the glasses.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Right,
Should we see
so
what she's
here we
got to
go.
say?
Yeah, what's she got to say for herself? So we're finding out who's stolen the cookies.
The missing cookies.
Wasn't me. I can only tell you what others had told me. Surely none of them would lie.
One of them's definitely lying. Okay, Louis said he was watching the show at Bill's at 8 p.m. Doug said that he was at Fred's store until 10 p.m. Alfred said that he was in a card game with Kane.
So are these all people that are still left as suspects?
Maybe.
Let's see if we've still got any of these people here. So we've got Louis, Doug, Fred, Alfred and Kane, yes.
But Fred is the name of Fred's store, so we may not necessarily be looking for Fred.
Oh, that's true. There's Doug, Kane. All of these people still remain, don't they?
Alfred?
Alfred, Louis.
And that's it.
That's everyone, right, okay. So Bill is just the store, right?
Bill is the name, yeah. And we've got the opening hours of Bill's bar, right? I think.
Yes.
And Fred's store, maybe. So we can see whether it's possible for them to be true.
So here's Bill's bar. It's open till late.
Open till late, okay.
And Fred's store
Does that have anything?
does have its opening hours.
Does it?
Very
10?
small. 10 a.m. until 8 p.m.
Wow, that is really small.
Doug said he was at Fred's store till 10 p.m. Well, that
He can't be.
Presumably it's meant to mean that he's a lie. Yeah. So the answer's Doug, right?
Or let's have a look at them. Louis said that he was watching the show at Bill's at 8 p.m. and there's a Magician's Apprentice show advert.
Oh, right. Is that
And it
Bill's?
said afternoon show 3 p.m, evening show 8 p.m. So that's
Is this at Bill's? Oh, yeah. Only at Bill's bar. Alfred said he was in a card game with Kane.
Do they have pictures of a... Do they have a deck of cards on their photos? There's a lot of pages here.
Right, so...
Alfred said he was in a card game with Kane.
Here's Kane.
There's Kane.
Where's Alfred?
Alfred's just here. Bit below. You got any cards? It's hard to verify that or not.
Yes.
But we know that Doug can't have been at Fred's store till 10 p.m. because it closes
Not
at 8
unless
p.m.
he works there. And truthfully, he doesn't look like he
doesn't
works. He clearly doesn't. He's not a shop assistant, is he? Unless he's very threatening one with a big giant pickaxe.
Or he's trying to find his way out of the store because it's all frozen over and there's been a nightmare. But we're extrapolating away from the data that we've got here, and I think we should open Doug's door.
I do for sure. I just wonder how we know that Alfred said he was in a card game with Kane.
Yeah.
I don't see anything to do with
Can't
cards.
see anything. We've got the days of the week pinned up there.
There are
That's
some
nice.
witness statements on the back of the calendar.
Are there? That's favourite.
No, those
Christmas
aren't witness
movies.
statements. The only statement is this.
There.
Yeah, I don't think actually there's anything on the back at all that's relevant.
Are Kane and Alfred playing cards on the back?
Good question.
They're actually next to each other. The runner and the scientist up here.
Right, okay, so they're actually next to each other.
But I don't think there's anything to prove that they're playing cards. So I think we're supposed to go with Doug, but I don't know what the cards thing is about.
Maybe it's just something we don't use.
Maybe.
So Doug contradicted it. Well,
Yeah.
Doug, we don't think he was at Fred's store till 10, so we're
I
going to
don't
have a
think
look
so.
at this.
Very suspicious. And we want to see the number 17. No.
Yep.
We do! Hooray!
There we go.
Okay, nice. And now...
Have a look at Santa's workshop.
Yeah. I feel like this one is overall more jolly, but we're not trying to solve a crime, right? What are we trying to do?
See it, say it, sort it.
What are we trying to do other than say it, sort it?
I don't know.
Oh.
Right, no, Laura.
Oh, sorry.
This is all wrong. The theme is snow this year.
Oh.
Take those out.
Take those out.
Right.
Okay.
So what does that mean? Are we identifying the first letter of these things and then removing those that start with the word snow?
Snow, maybe. Or just all of the letters. We've got...
Are there pictures on here that correspond with these things? So, for example, I mean, the person on the right, the thing on the right could be man. So we've got these words on the calendar,
Yeah.
which are clearly a lot bigger than the card. And we've got a ball. And we've got a museum. It's quite hard to identify all of these things, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I'm trying to have a look.
Let's zoom in.
We've got something that looks like a mobile over a crib.
Yeah, well, this is a mobile. Oh no, it's got an arrow pointing at the bar.
I think it must mean the mobile bit.
Stand. Okay,
a fountain.
a fountain.
A cone.
Let's put letters on some of these. So we've got a fountain, it's very small. A fountain. A traffic or roadwork cone. Let's go with cone. We've got...
A plough?
Yeah, it's an old school plough, isn't it?
Plough.
A globe. A water drop. Let's go with drop.
Yeah.
Angel or angel wings or halo. It's got to be A for angel, right?
I don't know what we're doing. Hat. We can definitely get hat.
It could be cap. It is a baseball cap, right?
We've got hat written here.
All right, C or H. So I actually think cap is perfectly valid. And then I've got a clipboard and a museum or an edifice or a trainer or a shoe or a boot.
It actually says bank on it.
Or a sneaker.
In really tiny letters.
B. A trainer or sneaker or shoe. A ball or beach ball. And a man or male, perhaps. And then a pen, right?
Yeah.
I don't think this has helped us because there's only one vowel.
No, it's something about... So the clue said take these out. Are we taking out anything that isn't... snowdrop, snow globe, snow man, not a snow pen, snowmobile. These are all things that can be followed by snow. Take out the ones that can't be followed by snow. Or follow snow.
Oh. Snowmobile.
Snow angel.
Yes.
Snowdrop. Snow fountain? No.
Okay, so ones that are left are a fountain.
Fountain.
Because you can't put snow with it.
Yeah. Snow cone.
Snow cone's a thing.
Yeah. Snow plough.
Yeah.
Snowshoe.
Snowshoe.
Snowshoe. Snowball. Snowman. Snowbank.
There's no snowbank.
That we know of.
And snow clipboard.
Snow pen. Is that... Yeah, okay.
And there's no snow pen.
Snow pen.
And that's the rest.
Snowdrop.
What about snow cap or snow hat?
No. I think that doesn't... I don't know what a snow hat is.
No.
Specifically, right now, what we're doing.
So these are the things that aren't snowy.
They're not snow things.
But there are no vowels in there.
But then what do we do with them?
Maybe we anagram the other letters, but then... actually, we know this is M for mobile. But also, I don't have any reason to... That's not very clear, M, is it?
I don't think we need
no
reason
no reason to think that the initials there. Maybe it's the shape of things. Maybe it's the positions of the boxes. So we've got... What's left? We've got across here and up to here, right? If we have the ones that do contain snow. Let's look at the text again.
Is there anything that looks like those boxes on there? Okay, what does it say?
No. This is all wrong. The theme is snow this year. Take those out.
Take those out.
So we get rid of the ones that aren't snow.
Yeah.
And it leaves...
And then what?
Right, well, we're stuck. So what I've done is I've written down the things that we actually know what they are because they fit with the word snow. And from the picture, snowmobile, snow angel, snowdrop, snow globe, snow plough, snow cone, snowshoe, snowman, snowball. The other things we don't know for sure what they are.
Do we need the things that we don't need, or do we need the things that we do need? So do we need the things that go with snow, or are we taking out the things that don't go with snow and doing something with those?
Well, I don't know. So this doesn't match the arrangement of anything that we can find on the calendar.
I can't see anything that looks like those. Are they boxes? Are they boxes? Yeah, they're
boxes.
stacked boxes.
They're stacked boxes, yeah. They're not very neatly wrapped, though.
Well, they're not wrapped yet, but we're only in sort at the top.
That's true.
So we're not even
So
close.
does that help if you sort them?
Is there anything in the sorting room that shows us anything? There's an E on the wall up there. I don't know if that's helpful at all.
Yeah, I think that goes
And
with a
there's like
different puzzle.
Something box onto box.
No, this is all wrong. The theme is snow this year. Take those out. So we remove the things that aren't snow.
Yeah, and then what are we... So then are we left with something else?
So we now definitively know these words are correct. But the initial letters, which is the only thing you would reasonably take without any other clue, I think, don't spell anything, do they? So if you took the other ones, fountain, hat or cap, clipboard, bank and pen. Snowbank, maybe? But I mean, how would that... It's not going to help us get another word. Should we take a hint?
Let's take a hint.
Right, okay. Here is the calendar creators website. Let's take a hint. Day one.
Okay, the theme is snow, so some of the objects relate to snow in some way. This we know.
Yeah, we've got that. Yeah, that's the
hint number
words.
2, come on down. Snow, globe, but what else? All the other
We've
things
done
on
that
that
one,
post-it note in the top right.
Snowmobile, snow angel, snowdrop, snow cone, snow plough. Spelled the American way. Even
snow cap.
Everything else on the...
Snow cap.
What's that?
Well...
Top of a mountain, maybe.
Yeah, although you'd think it was like snow capped. But okay.
Okay, let's add cap to our list.
Okay, but what else does that do?
But it doesn't... Maybe it's what's left then. So we have got snow. We can cross out. Well, I can't undraw a circle. So what's left then? We've got fountain, bank. Let's just write down what's left.
What if a snowbank is a thing?
Maybe. Oh, a snowbank is a thing, isn't it?
Is it? Like a bank, like loads of snow.
So it leaves F and T, and P and C.
But what are the actual things? It might be to do with the object.
Yeah, okay. We've got pen, clipboard.
We don't necessarily know that's a clipboard, do we?
No, but I think it's got a clip at the top.
Oh, snowboard. Snowboard.
Oh.
It's a board.
Okay, so no clipboard.
Okay, this hint hasn't told us anything new other than snow cap.
So we've got snow pen is not a thing, right?
Snow pen. Snow pencil.
I think you're right about snowboard.
Snow pen.
Which we haven't seen on the hint
I think
yet.
it's snowboard. That's what I mean. It hasn't told us anything new yet. We're just re-examining.
Snow clipboard, I prefer, to be honest.
Snow clipboard. Okay, different.
Snowbank, we think is actually a thing.
Snowbank, we think is a thing.
Just we haven't seen on the hints, but it is a thing, isn't it? So we've got
Snow
P, T, and F
fountain.
left.
There's no snow fountain. There's no
Maybe this is ink, like we had for before.
snow ink.
Yeah, then it would be. I'm just thinking it could be tie, because we've got. Oh no, tie's
We've done
already
tie.
tie's already open.
Hang on, let me just. What are the objects that we've got left? What are the T, F, and the P? The T is what?
We've got the pen.
Yeah.
We've decided this is snowboard and decided
Yeah.
this is snowbank. Fountain. Is a
Yeah.
snow fountain a thing?
No, I don't think so.
And that's it.
So it's just the fountain.
Oh, and the hat.
Why do you have T, F, and P? No, because that's snow cap. Why have you got T, F, and P written down?
I've got F from here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know where the T came from.
I don't know where the T came from, and I don't know where the P came from.
The pen.
The pen.
So,
Fountain pen. We need someone with a fountain pen.
so what's left is fountain pen.
What's left is fountain pen.
All right, we're on the right. So we
Okay, we actually didn't really need to use the
No,
hint.
the hints told us
we
that
just
we were-
needed to be
we-
slightly more analytical.
Well, to work out, I wouldn't snowboard. We didn't take it from the hint, but I would never. I don't think I'd have
Snowboard,
thought of that. So we're looking for someone with a fountain pen.
Woo!
Well done. We actually solved it. And the
Okay,
hints reassured
yay!
us.
Smashed it.
So
So who's got a fountain pen? I hope this isn't too difficult. He's got a feather pen.
it could be a fountain pen.
Let's see what
It's
everyone
not
else is up
technically
to.
a fountain
No, it's
pen,
not.
is it? Fountain pen is specifically not a feather pen.
A quill, I would call it. Just so I can use the word quill. Right, shake, rattle and roll. Anybody else got a fountain pen?
It must be the guy with the non-fountain pen, because a fountain pen specifically is one where the ink's dispatched out of a little capsule. That's why it's called a fountain pen.
Yeah. There's no fountain pens on here. Who's got a nice cup of cocoa? Hot chocolate?
I don't know why I'm looking at these. They're not going to help.
They're not
It
there.
must be the guy with the quill pen, right?
Do you think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Moment of truth. What should we see here?
17.
17.
Yeah.
What day is it today? Da-na.
Yes.
Yay! You looked very apprehensive there when you were opening the door.
Well, I wasn't sure because the pen
Yeah.
doesn't match the description.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Maybe it was not. Maybe it is a snow fountain, and we're just looking for pen. Let's look at the
Snow
other.
fountain.
I don't know.
Should we see?
Let's take the
What
other
does it
hints.
say?
Snowman, snowball. What is left? A fountain and a pen is left. Label uses a fountain pen.
No, it doesn't. It uses a quill.
Yeah, I know. That's not right, but never mind.
Controversial.
Well, there we go.
We
I
did
hope
it.
you enjoyed that. If you did, do please join us in tomorrow's video. We shall solve, hopefully, the things, hopefully a bit more easily as well, the things that are behind the doors that we have just opened. But if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do. It makes it easier to find future videos. And also do please like and comment on the video if you've solved it yourself or you've solved along with us. Then we'd love to know what you think.
If you were screaming snowbank at the screen, then fair enough. Let us know.
Yeah, I don't know why I didn't count snowbank.
I get-
Snowboard is a tricky
Snowboard,
one.
we should have got that. But
Yeah.
snowbank, I don't.
No, the other way
that's
round.
okay.
I think snowboard was hard and snowbank was obvious.
Well, there we go. That's why two make it. What? Anyway,
Two minds are better than one law.
thank you. And one mind is struggling.
Which one, you or me, or both of us?
Who knows?
Yeah. Well, either way, we hope you join us in a future video. But
Yes.
until one of those future videos, all that remains is for us to say is take care and goodbye.
Bye!